What's down, baby? About to show y'all how we get that window motor swapped out, you hear me? Y'all stay tuned, comment, like, subscribe. Yeah, I think we drilled it up inside that boat. I'm gonna try to do this bottom one as well. Y'all see, I think we hitting the head of that boat. So we drill that one out too. Only thing is, man, the tip here is long, so we gotta shorten them up. You know, so we can get that whole bit up in there. Cut that out of there. Alright, YouTube. Y'all see the bracket came with some small little nuts and bolts. So what I did, I added a lock washer. I'm gonna show y'all how we set this window up so we can install this regulator. Alright, gang, y'all see what's going on. Jam the screwdriver in there. Get the window all the way up. You hear me? Now, I'm gonna go ahead on and put my regulator back in place. Get that installed. I'll cut you back on. Alright, gang, got us a 13mm right here. I'll lock all these here bolts down. And we'll try it out here. Alright, got the battery plugged up. I'm gonna turn my key on. Almost. That's money, dude. That's money, dude. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Y'all see how we got it done. Like I said, I used some light washer. I drilled the holes out 3/4 bit. You don't need all that, but damn, it's just working. That money doing, I get it, man. Money doing. I'm gonna grease something up. I don't need that. Alright, gang, we got it wrapped up. You doing a little squeakiness. Little squeakiness just like this. But it's doing this right here. But she working though, so I'm gonna leave it like that. I might play with something. You remember, comment, like, share, subscribe. Y'all know we coming back with that. Good game.